Here are 5 easy Beatles guitar riffs that you can play on your acoustic guitar. So I'll give you a demo of the riff. I'll play it at speed and then slowly, and then it'll be your turn. I'm not going to tell you what the name of the riff is. See if you can guess what song it's from. And for bonus points, see if you can guess from which album it comes from. And that's British releases only, please. Thank you very much. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Now for any expert guitar players, and I'm really glad that you're here, I just want to let you know that this is a beginner guitar channel, and so these riffs are not exactly like, the real thing. So don't start furiously tapping on your keyboards right now saying,
"Hey, That's not how George played it. He used the third finger on the fourth fret of the fifth string while lighting up some incense.
None of that, please. Thank you very much. But for you beginner guitarists, I'm really grateful that you're here. And, you know, doing these riffs is going to give you a chance to have a go at something a little bit different, not just chords and strumming practice. And it will give your fingers a bit of a workout. And it's going to be a bit of a challenge, but it'll all be worth it when you're riffing away. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. The great thing about this, it kind of makes a change from just strumming chords all the time. It's kind of giving your fingers a bit of a rest, because you know when you're playing chords, you're pressing down real hard like, but with these little riffs, you're using the sort of individual fingers here. Makes a change, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. you're enjoying this, then why not give us a like and subscribe to the channel. So hey, how's it going? How are your fingers feeling at this point in time? Are they stinging a little bit, or are you doing good? Let me know down below in the comments. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. So, did you guess them all? Nice. So if you want more like this, then why not let me know down below in the comments. Listen, thanks for watching and happy riffing.